Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, along with Vice President Sara Duterte and their team from the PDP-Laban Party, embarked on a campaign trip to Hong Kong aimed at reaching out to overseas Filipino workers, OFWs, voters. This event is significant as it highlights the importance of OFWs in the Philippines' political landscape, given their substantial contribution to the country's economy through remittances. During the campaign, they likely focused on addressing the concerns and needs of OFWs, such as labor rights, welfare, and potential policies that could benefit them and their families back home. Engaging with the Filipino community abroad is crucial, especially as many OFWs face unique challenges while working in foreign countries. Such efforts can strengthen the bond between the government and its citizens living over. Here is the video about meet and greet with fellow kabayans.
Na yung pagod ninyo ngayon dito ang makinabang ang mga pamilya ninyo at ang mga anak ninyo. Mabuhay kayong OFW. Kaya yung lahat ng kayong lahat ng mga dalaga pa, ilan ba kayo? Matagal pa naman ako dito, isang buwan pa. Pakasalan ko kayong lahat para lumigaya kayo at magkaroon ako ng maraming pera. You know, hindi lang ito sabihin ninyo. Hindi ako nagbubula, ha? Yung mga taga rito na tumanda na, nung nakilala yung pamilya ko. Yung matanda na, yung may karanasan sa Davao noon, alam ninyo yan na ang sitwasyon namin pareho sa inyo. Matagal kaming walang ama. Kasi abogado siya. Ano pa naman ang Pilipinas noon, ang hanap buhay, nasa siyudad talaga. Ang abogado, walang silbi dyan pag sa barangay. So, ganun. Na-experience namin ako, na ang tatay ko, iniwan kami sa lolo pati lola ko, at ang tatay ko nagtrabaho sa labas. Ganon, sa labas ng probinsya. So, gamang-gama ko talaga yung buhay ninyo. Huwag na yung